I'm going to present my family. My mother is Gloria Patiño. She is 62 years old. She is a housewife. She is from Armero. My mother is nice. She is short. Her eyes are black and she has brown hair. My father is Jesus Uribe. He is 62 years old. He is retired. He is from Girón. My father is kind. He is tall. His eyes are black and he has black hair. My other sister is Pilar Uribe. She is 47 years old. She is a housewife. She is from Armero. My sister is nice. My sister is chubby. Her eyes are blue and she has blonde hair. My younger brother is Carlos Uribe. He is 41 years old. He is an office worker. He is from Bucaramanga. My brother is happy. He is thin. His eyes are black and he has black hair. My wife is Paula Navarrete. She is 39 years old. She is a doctor. She is from Bucaramanga. My wife is nice and happy. She is beautiful. She is slim. Her eyes are brown and she has brown and white hair.